Hi there, what's up? I hope that you're fine wherever you are. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Mary, and for my returning subscribers, as always, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. Remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed and you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing. Welcome to my vlog. I want to prepare lunch for my family. Our menu consists of kales, and we call them locally sukuma wiki, ugali, and fried eggs. Please watch the video up to the end. Remember, your support is very important to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you have not done so. Thank you so much, and please spend my lunch with me.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.